Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. We are from Group PHI 2A and today we will present our statistical analysis on student money transportation expenditure. In today's educational environment, financial stress has become a significant issue for college students. Transportation expenses in particular contribute heavily to this challenge. Therefore, we conducted study focused on understanding students' spending habits on transportation. This study aims to, the first one, analyze monthly transportation spending habits using cluster sampling. The second one, examine key variables such as gender, semester, academic program, and campus residency. And the last one, identify spend trends to support financial well-being and guide institutional support strategy. Let's move on how we visualize and analyze the data we collected.
To begin with, we present the qualitative data using bar graph and pie chart. To visualize categories like gender, semester level, and program enrollment. This visual helps us identify patterns across different students' demographics. For the quantitative data, we use a group frequency table. We categorize monthly transportation costs into intervals and visualize them using histogram, frequency polygon, and organ. This helps show how transportation spending is distributed among students. The total frequency was 40 students and the data ranged from below 50 ringgit Malaysia up to nearly 300 ringgit Malaysia, with the majority spending between 100 and 250 ringgit Malaysia.
Next, we're going to talk about data analysis. We have calculated the following. The first one is mean, whereas the total is 183 ringgit and 25 cents, which is known for the average monthly transportation cost. The second one is median, whereas the total is 174 ringgit and 50 cents, which is known for its middle value of all spending. Lastly is mode, whereas the total is 159 ringgit and 50 cents, which is known for its most frequently occurring value. This tells us that while many students spend below 180 ringgit, some outliers spend significantly more. Next is quartiles. For Q1, the total is 121 ringgit and 72 cents, which is 25% of students spend below this amount. Meanwhile, for Q3, total is 241 ringgit and 70 cents, which is 75% spend below this amount. This indicates that half of the students spend between 121 ringgit and 241 ringgit. So, by comparing mean, median, and mode, we see positive students. This means that the data is skewed to the right, suggesting that a few students with a very high spending hold the average up. Meanwhile, for the standard deviation is 67 ringgit and 91 cents, and the coefficient of variation is 37.06%, which indicates high variability in student spending. To sum it up, our group's coefficient is much higher than another group's 0.36%, showing our data is less consistent and more spread out.
Consistently suggests a need for a better sport. So we have some recommendation. For the first one is selected for Lastly, you can see the impact of accumulation is this strategy is not only reduce financial burden, but also promote mindful spending habit and environmental sustainability.
So in conclusion, our study found that the average transportation cost is 183 ringgit and 25 cents with high variability and a positive skew in the data. This means that although many students spend moderately, a few face much higher cost. Next, it is the institutional implications. This calls for data-driven support systems, subsidized transportation services, and also education on financial management. These efforts can help bridge the gap in transportation affordability among students. So, that is all from us. Thank you for your attention. We hope this analysis provides useful insights and contributes to better student support planning. Assalamualaikum and have a great day, everyone.